Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do?
Now, if you're new to the channel, you have found your channel, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know that you are part of my YouTube family. To all of my ride or dies, hey y'all, what's up? Now, like I said, I am going to come back and show y'all just quick, easy hairstyles. If y'all trying to grow y'all hair, just trying to keep your hair healthy.
Now guys, y'all see me grabbing my hair? This is how simple and easy these styles are and inexpensive. I got up this morning, I clipped my ends, and I moisturized my hair and my scalp. Now I'm setting my hair like this for a reason, to show you that you can grow your hair, have beautiful hairstyles, no tension on your hair, and keep it pushing. Watch how this hairstyle ends up turning out at the end of the video, guys.
A lot of the problems that you're probably having with your hair is how you used to style it, you know, in the past. Now, when you get to the back, it depending on how high you want your ponytail to be or what you're trying to do with that ponytail. So what we are going to do is take another hair scrunchie, okay? Let's get a small one. We're going to take this, and we're just going to come here. Don't make it tight. You're going to get you a bobby pin. And we're going to put it there. All right? Let's get a longer one. I want y'all to be able to see, okay? Now, this is the way the set looks.
Now, if you like, you can put French braids in your hair.
So what I am going to do, y'all, is I am going to take this comb. There's a comb there. And I'm going to stick it underneath that bobby pin. We're going to stick that underneath the bobby pin. Now, I want to show y'all something so bad. I do. Now, we're going to go, and there's some ponytails right there. And if you want, you can stabilize that. But we're not going to stabilize that right now, okay? This works for men and women. Okay, so we got the back. We're going to put the bobby pin under there, right? If you want to, you don't need to. Take another bobby pin. Find that ponytail in there. It's right there, y'all. And I'm just going to stabilize it. If you don't want, you know, the sides to come up. Okay? And we're going to stabilize this. Now,
there are so many different styles that we can do with this one synthetic ponytail. This is the FB ponytail, but right now you can't even tell where my hair starts or where it ends, and it only gets better from here. So keep watching so you'll see.
but I'm in a rush. My family, believe it or not, is telling me to come on right now. So what I am going to do is just take this band here, you all. Take this here. I'm going to put it around here. Watch how that hair disappears. You want it to go underneath your afro. Okay? Now, you want to pat it in place. Just pat it in place, y'all. Y'all ain't got to be perfect. People think this is my hair, you all. They think this is my hair. Now, y'all know I can't leave well enough alone, right? In a different video, I showed you all how to curl this up and make it curly. So if you don't want to have an afro fade, you can have a curly fade if you want to. I have the OK Men's pomade here, y'all. Y'all know this is one of the things that I use on my hair now because I really do like it. So what we are going to do is we're just going to take a little bit of that, put that there. Now I can smooth this up in my hair, but I want it to look the same as the afro hair. All right, I don't want it to look too smooth. Okay? But those are buckwheats back there. I got to get them buckwheats. Okay, look how easy that is, y'all. Look how easy that is. Like I said, if you want, you can just leave everything looking natural. You can leave everything looking natural, but if you want, you can also take your gel or your OK Men's pomade, y'all. There's so many things we can do with just this, y'all. I'm just going to smooth it up. Y'all seen how it look natural, right? And y'all know, and I got something else to show y'all. Y'all got to forgive me. I'm behind on everything I want to show y'all. And that is because when y'all leave y'all, when y'all be leaving y'all comments and everything, man, I be wanting to come on here and just answer them. So y'all can have y'all, answer on what y'all, want to do or what y'all can do. Okay, now look at that. This hair is loose. This hair is loose as a goose on the loose. The only thing I am going to do is just be making sure I got this patted in place. My little band is there, y'all. Look how quick that is. Let me see if I can give y'all a spin. I'm still going to pat it in place and shape it and everything, y'all, but look how quick that is. And I got to go. And I'm going to put on me some earrings, y'all. I sure am. So, guys, let me give you a spin. All right, guys, well, that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know about this ponytail. By the way, this is the Effie ponytail, okay? Effie drawstring ponytail. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do fashion shows, hacks, home decors, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So you have 2 channels to support. I really would appreciate it. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share to both channels, guys, because they intertwine with one another to make you look and feel great. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
To do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste.